Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add MatrixScan Find to your app in a few simple steps. To demonstrate this, we'll create a very simple app which has just two screens. First with this Find button and another one where we want to integrate MatrixScan Find. So to do it, we need to do these main steps. First, we need to create context. Data capture context, and we need to provide license key, which I prepared earlier. Okay, and then we need to create settings for our mode. Let's leave them default for now. We need to create mode itself. And pass settings we just created. Then we need to create view settings. Let's leave them default as well. And then we need to create barcode find view. Let's add it as a property. It will make sure that we can see all the ongoing search progress. We need to pass parent view, context, our mode, and view settings. After that, we need to make sure that we prepared barcode find before we start searching. For this, we have prepare searching method. And we also need to make sure that when we are not using barcode find view, we stop searching and release resources. Another thing is that if you want to start searching without user interaction, you can call barcode find view start searching. Now it should already be functional. Let's see. Okay, so you already see a couple of UI elements like this hint, pause button, and finish button. It doesn't really do anything now because we didn't tell it what to search for. So let's fix it. First of all, we need to specify which symbologies we are looking for. In our case, it's only EAN13. And then we need to specify items we're looking for. I'll do some copy pasting here because I don't remember barcode data by heart. But basically, we create set of barcode find items with data specified, and then add this list to barcode find. Let's test it. Okay, it's immediately found items. We can see them in this beautiful carousel, but problem is we see barcode data, but not any other useful information. So let's try to adjust this. I'll do some copy pasting again. So what happened is there is still barcode data, but we added info, so name of the item and some additional info plus image. Let's see how it looks. Okay, items are found, and now we can see all this information that we specified. Only thing is not really working now is this finish button. It doesn't do anything, and we don't know when this button was tapped. So to address that, we can implement UI delegate. Barcode find UI delegate. In this delegate function, we receive set of found items, which we can use in a smart way. But for this sample, let's leave it just, let's just pop to previous view controller so that we can see that button is working. All right. And now I press finish button and we go back to previous screen as expected. The last thing I want to show you really is how you can specify or customize the UI of MatrixScan Find. Through view settings, you can say that you want green color for the items that are in the list, and the other color for items that are outside of the list. So let it be red. And let's see. Okay, seems like it works. Color are as we specified. So that's actually it that I wanted to tell you about this MatrixScan Find integration. Thank you.